game. It's a rich thing.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. So, I'm going to do a polygel set today. These are the tips that I'm using from Glitter Planet. They are tapered square. Love these tips. And I'm using pearl pink polygel from Born Pretty. Love this colour. And I'm using my regular brush on nail glue. So just a little bit on the edge of these tips. They haven't got a well, they are wellless. And just stick it on to the end of the nail. And make sure you hold it in. Hold it down at them side wings. Make sure them side wings are not sticking out. Just like that. Guys, it feels so good to feel like myself again. I feel like I can laugh and giggle without wanting to cry because I've no energy. I feel good today. So let's get on with it. So I'm just going to file up and down these, up and down, up the sides. Yep, that. Just to make sure there's none hanging over. I do file them in more of a coffin because they're a bit too square for me, these tips, but I do like them. And now I'm just using a buffer. You need to buff off all the shiny surface on your natural nails, the nail tips. Get all the shine off. So I'm starting with the pinky. This is going to be a full polygel nail. I love the colour of this polygel. It's like, it's a bit of a purpley pink, I think. I really like it. So yeah, this is going to be a full nail. I've not used polygel for so long. I really struggled with this pinky, but by the time I finish this pinky, I feel like I had my mojo back. So I've tucked it in nice and neat, quite thin at the cuticle area. If you get it too thick, don't worry, you can file it afterwards. And just kind of pat it and pull it. Keep swiping down the sides. Make sure it's not hanging over the edge of that tip, because you'll just have to file it all off after it comes out the lamp. So yeah, just keep patting it and pulling it all the way down that nail. Try and keep the shape the best you can. Makes it so much easier when it comes to filing. And I'm going to do exactly, that's going to go in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I'm going to do exactly the same on the middle finger as well. So I think I'm just going to let you watch for a minute and I'll be back. So I'm using Born Pretty base coat now on this ring finger. This nail's going to be completely clear, but I want to put some little heart sequins on it. So I'm using a base coat. I'm leaving that wet. I've not cured it, and I don't know where these hearts are from, guys. This is why I've not showed you the pack, because I don't know where they're from. But you could use any hearts. They're available at most glitter suppliers, aren't they? So I'm just using pink and white, and these are matte, these hearts, different sizes. And I've got a teeny weeny little tiny small hex cut like a transparent iridescent, and I'm just going to dot a few tiny flakes of that in and about these little hearts because I wanted the nail to kind of stay transparent. And I'm going to do exactly the same just on the free edge of the pointer finger. So I'm not going to fill this pointer finger, just doing it on the free edge, because I want to put polygel, do a little bit of a nail bed fade on this pointer finger. So exactly the same, just on the edge, and they're going to get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds just to keep that glitter and hearts stuck where I need them. So this pointer finger, yeah, I'm just going to do a little fade with this polygel. So just like I did on the other nails, get it tucked in nice and neat, as close as you can get it to your cuticle and side walls. Try and keep it as thin as you can around them areas. And when I'm doing a fade with polygel, any gel actually, polygel or builder gel, I like to kind of get it in a straight line, and it just helps that fade kind of stay even. So you'll see I kind of swipe across it there like that, just to get it pretty much straight, and then I'll start my fade. Just start pulling it and fading it off down that nail. Yeah, that's all. I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Right, and now we're going to use the clear mostly on the ring and pointer. This ring finger is completely flat, there's no strength, there's no apex. If this was on your real nails, it won't last 2 minutes, it'd snap. So we're going to build the nail using the clear. So pretty much the same as the pinky and the middle finger. You want the thickest part of the nail to be in this top third area. And again, just pat it and pull it all the way down the nail. Try and keep it thin at the tip as well. That's going to go in the lamp for 60 seconds. And I'm going to encapsulate the free edge on that pointer finger. I didn't really need to cover the nail with the clear on the pointer because the pink part is quite thick and it's giving me a bit of strength and a bit of an apex. So just the free edge on this pointer finger really needs building up a little bit with the clear. And again, they're going to go in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to give them a quick file and a buff off camera, guys. I don't file on this hand anymore because I've split it. It needs fixing. So until I fix it, I won't be filing on it because it's too feckin' expensive. Oh, it's expensive. So I've pulled out Born Pretty White BPO5. This is out the Black Spore series in the bigger 10ml bottles. Their new Milky White series are in 10ml bottles now actually. Don't forget guys, you can get 20% off Born Pretty using my code Aggie20. It's always in my description box. So I've just done a little smile line. Don't know why it's little, it's just a normal average size. It's a smile line. And I'm going to do another smile line underneath it and then paint it and sprinkle some pigment stuff into it. So just another smile line underneath it like that, and then I'm going to paint the free edge of it with the white as well. So this is like it's not a glitter, it's like a shimmery pigment. It's actually a pigment I got in a lip gloss making kit. It is actually for lip gloss, but it's pigment, isn't it? You can use it on nails. I've sprinkled that into the wet gel and then it's gone in the lamp for 60 seconds. What did I not do, guys? I didn't matte top coat the nails before I did all that. This should have been done first, but it was alright. I just had to be more careful. So I'm doing these nails in matte. I just thought, I don't know what I thought. I just thought, yeah, matte, why not? So I'm going to matte top coat all these nails, stick a couple of little gems on, and that'll be then finished. I think this is quite an easy set, really. I think anybody could have a good old crack at these, couldn't they? So yeah, I'll let you watch and I'll be back at the end. there we go, guys. That's them finished. I love that colour, pinky purple polygel. I think it's a really unique pink. I don't think I have anything like that. I really like it. And doesn't it match them pink hearts perfectly? I like it a lot. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I hope to see you in my next one. Take care, bye.